I have a friend who had a coat that she no longer was wearing, and she looked at me and she said, I think this might be something you would enjoy. So I tried it on, and it really fit me quite well, but it was really, really long. And being that I'm a petite lady, I was a little bit uncertain as if I liked it that long. So I thought it would be fun to just shorten it. And then somebody gave me the idea of possibly having it redesigned, and I thought that would be fabulous. Well, I wasn't sure how to go about finding someone to make the changes I really wanted, and I came across Christos, and I thought, you know what, I'm going to give him a call. After speaking with him, he told me that I could do it virtually.
Would you be able to make this more of a swing coat?
Yes, this is what I suggested. You shorten your coat about 20 inches, shorten your sleeves 3 inches. I should make it a knee length that it's more comfortable wearing it in and out of the car. But my question to you is, do you still like your bracelet cuffs, or you want to redo it?
All of his suggestions were absolutely fabulous, and I cannot wait to open up the box and see what it looks like. Look at this. This is incredible. It's totally different. This is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It's everything I wanted. Absolutely. The way it buttons like this, it fits perfect. The length, look at the length. And look at the way the fur is. It wasn't like this. They sheared it. And it's more youthful. It looks absolutely perfect. Love it. I just love it. This experience was so much fun. It was quick, it was easy. I sent a coat that I didn't wear at all, and I got this unbelievable coat back. It was the conversation I had, he picked up on exactly what I wanted. I can't believe I have this coat. It is stunning. If you have a coat that you're not wearing and you're thinking of giving it away, call Christos.